Today I want to introduce you to my good friend Oscar AI, an AI-driven content toolkit that can amplify your brand's outreach and fuel your inbound marketing. I see you there refreshing your YouTube feed, skimming through articles, trying to find something post-worthy to share. It's time to turn off research mode and try Oscar AI instead. At the heart of this toolkit is the ability to convert source materials into engaging, ready-to-share content. That means videos, articles, and audio files can become blogs, social media posts, or newsletters in seconds. For example, you can turn a long YouTube explainer into a bite-sized LinkedIn post for your followers. Simply add the video link, choose the output, add the post topic, and hit generate. It gets even cooler when you upgrade to Oscar AI's Tier 3 plan, which gets you all the standard features plus 2,500 monthly credits, 60-minute YouTube video transcription, team collaboration tools, and custom integrations. In today's fast-paced landscape, staying ahead of the curve can make or break your content performance. With Oscar AI's powerful trend discovery engine, you'll have the most compelling industry hot takes sourced from over 4,000 major news sites, RSS feeds, 20,000 publishers, and 3.7 million videos. With loads of articles and videos at your fingertips, you can create all kinds of content to keep customers engaged. You can even build your own knowledge base to generate hyper-personalized content. Whether you want to accelerate business growth with AI, stand out to bigwig LinkedIn recruiters, or create impactful brand assets for clients, Oscar AI has got you covered. Click the description box for more details.